Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. I am going to be speed cleaning my house today and hopefully giving you guys some extreme cleaning motivation. I had more decluttering to do, which will end up being later on in the video. I had to declutter my kids' closets because they were in desperate need, and you're going to see what I'm talking about in a little bit, but they were a complete disaster and they needed a big clean out. So for today's cleaning, I'm just going to be doing a quick tidy up around the house, and I'm not doing any deep cleaning today. It's just going to be the tidying and the decluttering, and I'm going to be playing some relaxing cleaning music, so that way if you want to clean along with me, then you can do that. And if you are cleaning today, let me know in the comments what you're cleaning, or if you're not cleaning, let me know what you're up to. I want to hear from you guys in the comments. Also, if you're new to my channel, then I would love to have you as a subscriber, so please say hey in the comments and let me know where you're from.
If not me, then someone like me that knows what to do and how to take care of you, but most of all, that deserves you. The sweetest red cheese I'd ever seen. You stand beside me in every dream. Angel goddess, you cover them all. Say, what can I do to get you to fall for someone like me?
So really quick, I did want to let you guys know that the majority of the cleaning for my kitchen is actually done in my evening routine, and I actually shared our nighttime routine the other day, and there was a whole bunch of like YouTube issues. So if you missed our nighttime routine, like a school nighttime routine, and you want to check that video out, I would so much appreciate it, because YouTube definitely didn't push that video out after the glitches and all of that. So if you want to support me and go watch that video, I would love you guys forever. But if you are not into nighttime routines, that's totally okay too. I just wanted to let you guys know in case you did miss that video. So I'll just link that video here in the cards and also in the description box in case you guys want to go check it out when you're done watching this video.
That he deserves you. Go with someone like me.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody.
Now I'm just moving on to tidying up our living room.
And you got me too.
You can ride out the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
now we're moving on to the master bedroom. I'm going to tidy up in here, and then I also had a load of laundry that needed to be folded and put away because I try to do at least one load of laundry a day, but I shared my laundry routine with you guys recently, and if you missed that video, I will link it here in the cards and also in the description box. But I searched and searched for a way to do laundry and be able to keep up for a long time, and finally figured out something that works for me. So it may not work for everyone, but I love sharing it just in case it helps you out. Also, if you didn't notice, I have a FabFitFun box sitting over there on the left, and I'm going to put some of that stuff up as well. But I am sharing that FabFitFun haul on Thursday, so you should get that video on Thursday this week. And I was wondering, if you guys do FabFitFun, what do you do with your box after it's done? After you have pulled everything out of your box and you don't need it anymore? What do you do with those boxes? Because they're so pretty, and I feel like they could be used for something, but I just don't know what. Also, that was the first FabFitFun box that I ever got, and it was so much fun, so I can't wait to share that video with you guys on Thursday.
You, and you got me too.
Alright, so now we're heading upstairs and we're going to tidy up both of the kids' rooms and declutter their closets, which I'm so excited about.
And I'm losing every piece of respect for you. Yeah, you can make me.
Okay, so I wasn't lying when I told you that their closets were a disaster. Look how much of a mess this is. It looks like a tornado just flew through this room, and it is awful. But I have pulled down, or actually I pulled a lot of the stuff out of his drawers already, and so that's what's laying on the floor over here were clothes that I was already getting rid of. And then of course like his blocks and some shoes and things like that that needed to be sorted out. But I don't know how this got to be such a mess. But I'm going to go through all this stuff and figure out what we're going to get rid of and what we're going to keep. And I am not even going to try to sell any of their clothes for this round because it's just a lot of work. So I'm giving them to my friend. I have one friend who has a little boy. I'm going to give them these clothes. And then I'm going to give my other friend Gracie June's clothes.
Yeah, you can make me laugh and cry just by being around. If heaven's door is open, it's 'cause you kicked it down. Every word you say, every smile you fake, I let you go. It's sad to see you feeding off the feeling. Every heart you break, every soul you shake, I let you go. It's you, not me, who messed up now. When it's trouble, hey, a birthday. If you would stay, baby, I run away, baby. I don't need you, baby. All this to a lie to tell. If you would stay, baby, I run away, baby. I don't need you, baby. All this to a lie to tell. Every word you say, every smile you fake, I let you go. It's sad to see you feeding off the feeling.
And these are little bins that I actually got from the Dollar Tree. You're going to see some in Gracie June's bedroom or closet as well. But I just keep in this first bin, these are all of Caycen's bathing suits. And then in the next bin, we have his underwear. And then the next bin are his socks. So that's what I keep here just so that I don't have to put them in drawers. I just like to just toss them in here and it works well. Alright, so now we have one closet down and one to go. I love the way it turned out though. It's so much cleaner, and of course I do need a basket for the sheets that are up there at the top. I would like to get a basket to put those in. Alright, so now we're moving on to Gracie June's room, and I know that you guys are probably going to say something about, well, you may not say anything, but there's books over there on the floor, and that's because we have started going through their books, and we're trying to figure out what we're going to keep, what we're going to give away, and so we've already made a big stack of books right there. We are not even halfway through them, though. We have lots and lots of books to give away, so we'll probably give those away to my nephew. And Gracie June's closet probably isn't as bad as Caycen's, but it's pretty messy, and we have so many clothes that are way too small for her that are from like years ago, like a few years old. So I'm going to be going through all of this stuff and getting rid of all of that, and then some of these pieces that are over here on the floor, it's because Gracie June got into them, but some of them were things that I was actually selling on Instagram, and just have been sitting there and waiting for people to buy. But I think I am going to just try to get rid of these and not even worry about selling anymore.
Doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do. I'm holding on, if almost gone.
Alright, so now this closet is done, and it makes me so happy. I do want to get a command hook on the inside of their closet doors just to put their house coats on and not have to hang them up in the closet. But I love the way this turned out. I think it looks so much better, and it makes me feel so much better. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this clean with me and that you got some cleaning motivation from this video. Don't forget to let me know what you were cleaning today or what you guys are up to. I would love to hear it from you in the comments. I hope you have a fabulous day. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!